G-O-D. God. So, next word natin is man. M-A-N. Man, correct. Next word, good. Ano to?
G-O-O-D.
Very good. Yung word na next is praise. Ang spelling ng praise, ito. Ito, yung praise. Praise. Spell mo nga dito yung praise.
P-R.
Sulat mo para next time alam mo yung spelling ng praise. P. Praise. Okay, very good. What's this?
Praise.
Spell mo nga.
P-R-A-I-S-E.
Very good. Next word natin is sun. So, ito sun, correct. Next word is moon. Perfect. Sky. And, ang last word natin is soil. Soil is lupa. Ito soul. Ano yan? Kaluluwa. Ang soil is, ito ang spelling. Soil. Sulat mo nga soil. Very